Thanks for coming back to watch another video. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 foods that have been scientifically proven to boost brain power and improve cognitive function. We all know that what we eat plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being, but did you know that certain foods can also have a positive impact on our brain function and cognitive abilities? Number 10 on the list is leafy green vegetables. These foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy brain function, such as vitamin K, lutein, and folate. Leafy greens like spinach and kale have also been shown to improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. At number 9, we have nuts and seeds. These small but mighty snacks are packed with brain-boosting nutrients like vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and zinc. Nuts and seeds have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function, as well as protect against age-related cognitive decline. Coming in at number 8, we have berries. Berries are a great source of antioxidants, which have been shown to protect against cognitive decline and improve memory. In particular, blueberries have been shown to improve spatial memory, which is important for tasks like driving and navigating. At number 7, we have fatty fish. Fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining brain health. Omega-3 seconds have been shown to improve memory, reduce inflammation, and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Number 6 on the list is dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Just be sure to choose a high-quality dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, and moderation is key. At number 5, we have eggs. Eggs are a great source of choline, a nutrient that has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. They're also a good source of protein, which is essential for brain health. Number 4 on the list is turmeric. This spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. Turmeric can be added to a variety of dishes for a brain-boosting boost. At number 3, we have avocados. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats and have been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. They're also a good source of vitamins E and K, which are essential for brain health. Coming in at number 2, we have green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly a type called catechins, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Green tea is also a good source of L-theanine, an amino acid that has been shown to improve memory and attention. And finally, at number 1 on the list, we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, a type of fat that has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. It's also a good source of lauric acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may protect against age-related cognitive decline. So there you have it, the top 10 foods for boosting brain power. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your diet can help improve your cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Thanks for watching.